So the rain has finally stopped, but it's still very cloudy. And we apparently have a bunch of people here at the gym who think that rain ruins our days and that the class would be canceled. I, for one, did not think that for a split second, as it's just rainwater. Let's ask Debbie. Debbie, what did you think when you woke up and it was raining? Oh my gosh, I can't go to the gym today. There's water falling from the sky. Although she showed up. She showed up anyways.
I walked in the mud.
Yep, she walked in the mud. What do these guys over here think? Did you guys think for a split second that class would be canceled due to rain?
Why would it be due to rain?
Was it raining? I was just pumping to get here.
Exactly.
Water outside?
Exactly.
I thought I was already sweating.
Now, this guy texted us, and what did he say? Are you guys still going to class? And what did Mike reply? Do you still want to go to regionals?
Hey, listen. When you're on call for work...
This had nothing to do with the work.
You asked about rain!
He had to check the traffic online. He had to text us about traffic because of rain.
Did you
water falling from the sky. Nobody else showed. Well, Bubba just showed. Let's be real. Sam and Debbie showed up on time in the rain. A couple people didn't show at all.
Sam's still cranking out his presses over here.
Yeah.
Rain or shine.
But apparently, rain means that the island is closed.
Debbie's got her umbrella for this treacherous rain. Right, Debbie? Was your mom nervous about you going out of the house today?
Streets are empty. You see?
Flooding on the roads, Bubba? Treacherous out there. Treacherous. But you know what? Did Klokoff trudge through the snow to get to training? Yes. Yes, he. Clear. Shrug, shoulders, extend the body. That's it.